All right, good evening, traders. Today is September 26, 2023. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Let's take a look at the SPY. All right, here's the SPY in a daily downtrend. We have lower highs and lower lows. We have a head and shoulders neckline. This would be that gold line that sticks across there. Here we are spiking the head and shoulders neckline today. Today's price action produced a lower high and a lower low. We'll see what happens if we find some support off of these 4 or 5 candles right here. We'll see if we get support right off the bottom there. You can see we stabbed the bottom of that consolidation area and we kind of bounced up just a little bit. We'll see if we can get back up over the neckline tomorrow. There we are with the SPY daily downtrend. Notice trend indicator way back here, price action, 3 EMA, 8 EMA, all well underneath our trend indicator on SPY. Let's take a look at the QQQ. Right, here we are with the QQQ. QQQ making lower highs and lower lows. Here's the last low, lower low. So QQQ breaking the uptrend line. Now in a head and shoulders pattern. Possibly going to break this or come down and visit the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. We'll see what happens here, but right now, today's candle, lower high, lower low, price action, 3 EMA, 8 EMA, all well underneath our 17 EMA trend indicator. We have prior support right here. This would be the apex of the last move down. So we'll put a little line in there. Don't want to break below that line. But there we are with QQQ in a daily downtrend. SPY in a daily downtrend. IWM. IWM making lower highs and lower lows. It is in a daily downtrend. You can see the price action, the 3 EMA, the 8 EMA, all underneath our 17 EMA trend indicator. The movement is at this time down. It's in a downtrend. Okay, we have a neckline here for the head and shoulders pattern on IWM. There's the neckline right there. You can see we broke the neckline. We have support right here. We spiked the support, produced a candle underneath it. We're still attached to that uptrend line. We'll see if they can swing it back up tomorrow morning. All right, there's IWM, daily downtrend, well underneath our neckline here. Let's take a look at FNGU. All right, here's FNGU. Here's the neckline. You can see we broke through the neckline. And we made lower lows and lower highs. So you can see FNGU also in a daily downtrend. Today's price action was lower high, lower low. 3 EMA, 8 EMA, all underneath our 17 EMA trend indicator. This is in a downtrend, FNGU. Where will it find support? Probably not till it gets down to right here, 104.33. So FNGU breaking this pivot. It's got a big drop down to 104.53. So we'll see what happens. Here's the support area. You can see bulls showed up there last time. We'll see if they can show up again. All right, so there's a support area there for that FNGU. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. So here's Diamond Dow putting in the head and shoulders pattern. This would be the left shoulder. This would be the right shoulder. This would be our neckline. You can see Diamond Dow has broken the neckline. If we take a line, cross it through there, you can see we've got candles well underneath that. It's no longer just a spiking situation. It's a breakdown. We do have some consolidation running through here. Don't know when they'll find support, but we do have support at the bottom here, probably around 327. We had support up here, and you can see that's where the apex came down before. So we've broken through this support. Now we're working on major support, which is down here. This would be the consolidation area of a bull flag, and we don't want to break this major support down here. So we have broken the neckline, and price is in a downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. Daily candle, lower high, lower low. Price action And the 3 EMA and the 8 EMA all underneath our 17 EMA trend indicators. So there we are with Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at USO. This is crude oil. Crude oil putting in a bull flag. You can see the last bull flag is a move up, consolidate over to the right, then a breakout, and now consolidating over to the right. Daily candle, higher high, higher low. So just still consolidating here in a bull flag. Like to see that hang out there for a couple weeks, build a nice base, good foundation, the next step to the leg higher. So there's USO. Let's take a look at UNG. Here we are with UNG. UNG trapped in a channel between $6 and $8. So UNG candle just still consolidating here. Got a lower high and a lower low. So nothing special happening in UNG, just consolidating a whole lot more. This is winding up like a coiled spring. Eventually this is going to pop out of here. And we'll see how far it goes, but I think it's going to go far if it coils up this long. All right, let's take a look at silver. Here's silver. We have an uptrend. Bears need to break the uptrend line. Bulls need to break the downtrend line. Silver is challenging the uptrend line at this time, spiking it pretty good today. Price action on silver, lower high, lower low. Silver is in a daily downtrend with a lower high and lower lows. They are consolidating over this area right here, 2050, 2042. You can see here is the move up, consolidate, move up, consolidate. So silver consolidating over 2050. Gold's going to be consolidating over 175. Bulls need to break the downtrend line. Bears need to break the support at 175. Big move up, consolidation over to the right-hand side. Coiling up, should have a nice breakout either up or down. Here we are with gold, just consolidating here between the two in a wedge pattern. That's a bullish pattern, by the way. Let's take a look at our US dollar. So here's the US dollar making higher highs and higher lows. And you can see we're up in the 106.25 area today. So nice move up on the US dollar. Wow. Just breaking through the minor resistance here, minor resistance there, major resistance there, major resistance there, and even more major resistance right there. Just barreling through all of this. Not even stopping to fill up for gas. Just wow. We'll see what happens with the U.S. dollar. Strong dollar makes our goods and services in the USA more expensive, so it's not good for our market. So as the dollar climbs, you can see our markets are dropping. Here's the U.S. dollar. The calendar, economic calendar for tomorrow, 8:30. We get durable goods, petroleum status at 10:30. The big one is GDP on 8:30 at 8:30 on Thursday. Jobless claims at 8:30 also on Thursday. So that's the big day for this week is the Thursday. Earnings calendar. We had Cintas this morning and we got Costco this evening. We'll see how they report. Maybe they can move the retail markets just a little bit. For earnings for tomorrow, what do we got? We got Payax and Micron Technologies. This 41 billion, 75 billion. That's about it right there. And on Thursday, we got something here, 200. Accenture, looks like 200 billion there. That's a pretty good size company. Then we got Nike reporting at 138. So some more retail here. Then we got Jabil, 14, not quite enough to make an impact. And on Friday we have Carnival, 18 billion, and PT Telecommunications Indonesia, that's 24 billion. So the big one's going to be Thursday, going to be this one right here, Accenture and Nike, those two right there for Thursday. And that's it for the market. We'll take a look at some technicals before we take off. Here's our technicals here, T2122. It's coming out of the sell zone into the oversold zone, just selling off all day. T2123, red trend indicator the whole day long, just selling from the beginning of the day till the end of the day. You can see nothing but selling going on there. 3-bar chart, we've got a whole lot of space opening up between the price action and the trend indicator. Market is selling off, no question about it. FNGU. FNGU may have found support here on the support line of 142. We'll see what they do. If you can look at the market here, FNGU red from the beginning of the day all the way to the end of the day, just selling all day. Under VWAP the whole day, so except for maybe, it looks like 30 minutes there, right there. So over VWAP, that's about it. So money coming out of the market here with FNGU. And of course that moves the other two, the SPY and the QQQ, so not a good sign. Hopefully they have found a bottom here on this support. Maybe they need to spike it. Maybe it's not good enough. We'll see what happens if they need to actually come down to this 134.55 area. So this market hitting a major pivot back in August right there. You can see that pivot right there in FNGU. And if you look at the trend indicator, red all day long. All right, traders, I'll see you all at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. I want to thank everybody for participating and being in the room today. Hope you all made some money. Everything is good. We'll see you all at 8 o'clock. Thank you.